As this body is me, this image is me. I'm a sick person, I'm a helpful person, I'm a generous person, I'm a good person, I'm a recovered alcoholic, I'm an addict, I'm a mother, I'm a father, we're so used to being the body and the image and the story that in this kind of a practice, for a moment, you lay it aside. You recognize, I'm not that. I'm not, I'm not the thing I made. I'm not, yes, I was that, but then I was something else. And then I was something else. I used to be a drinker and then I wasn't. Which one was I? I used to be, a baby and now I'm 5'8". Which am I? Am I the baby? Am I the one that's 4 feet tall or 5 feet tall or 5'8"? Which am I? I've been 135 pounds and 195 pounds. Which am I? Am I 135 pounds or am I 195 pounds? Which I'm not any of those things. And the recognition hits you that I'm not the body. But once that sort of is seen, you can you can pick the image back up, but you won't be a slave to it anymore. There won't be any confusion anymore. There won't be struggling, there won't be suffering, there won't be any of the old stuff. No problem. It's an object in the room and I'm not that. So there's this total freedom. And that's what's available to all of us.